English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2, Foreign, Text, Level. Foreign. Foreign is an adjective. A2 learners usually know foreign. At A2, foreign describes a person or thing from another country. Here are some examples. She speaks quite a few foreign languages. Italy was the first foreign country that I visited. For his work, he travels to a lot of foreign countries. Text. Text is a noun and a verb. A2 learners usually know text. Text has many meanings. At A2, a text is a mobile phone message. Here are some examples. Don't forget to send me a text. Don't forget to text me. She always texts me when she gets home. Level. Level is a noun. A2 learners usually know level. Level has many meanings. At A2, level refers to a person's ability when compared to other people. Here are some examples. This is a course for beginner-level students. Students at this level need a lot of support and help in general. Nowadays, you can find many tutorials on the internet to suit your level of experience and knowledge. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with foreign, text and level. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.